tick tock, my rockin' in tick tock, my mum said, wait, hello, hello. Kate and we at Thomas. We come to Cymraeg Blant in Cardigan every week, and we really enjoy coming to the groups, learning lots of Welsh. Thomas was born the day after we moved to Wales. I grew up in England. I went to university in Wales, so I knew a bit of Welsh beforehand, but I wanted to learn a lot more, and I wanted to help Thomas to learn as well, so we could read books together, sing together, and we are building a house in Wales at y Ladyti bach un dau tri, tywar y benned dyna ni. So we come every week and we really enjoy learning new words, new vocabulary, learn about the myths of Wales and all of the Welsh culture. We meet new parents, new children, and some from English backgrounds, some from Welsh backgrounds, and we do some craft activities, and we've even been down on the estuary picking samphire for our tea. So that's really good. We love working with Rhian, who's our leader in Cymraeg Blant. She's really cheerful, she helps us have lots of fun. We learn about Dotty, the dog, and all of the other toys and animals, so we can go home and use Welsh in the home. So we can talk about all of Thomas's animals and parts of his body. We've done a Club Cwtch course, also with Cymraeg Blant, and Cymraeg or Pryd course, so we can get better with our Welsh. And hopefully that will give Thomas a really good base for his bilingual journey, because he is going to be going to school in Newport or Eglwyswrw. He currently goes to TIV in Eglwyswrw, and he'll be going to Cilch Meithrin there as well. So he's going to really enjoy it. It's going to be a great base for him to start his Welsh. So yeah, that's us. Hwyl fawr.